Welcome to a complete tour of a modular relationship manager designed around your event or service business. What separates this CRM is control. With the self-hosted edition, you control your licensed installation, hosting location, business data, branding, content, and day-to-day workflow instead of depending on a rental-only account. You begin with a dependable core CRM that manages your inquiries, clients, events, packages, staff, schedules, contracts, payment information, communication, and planning forms in one place. When you are ready, the optional automated booking experience lets eligible clients select your pricing online, confirm their event information, pass a real availability check, sign the generated agreement, and continue to the payment step without requiring your routine handling. Your system can also grow through reviewed AI-built modules. The included proprietary CRM Builder instructions give your authorized AI assistant a documented way to attach new capabilities to the established core, instead of forcing you to replace your CRM and start over. This tutorial uses a completely separate fictional workspace. Every person, event, venue, telephone number, email address, package, and balance shown here is invented. None of your information, or anyone else's real information, is present. You begin the demonstration as the business owner. Your dashboard is your daily starting point. At the top, you immediately see how many current events and new inquiries need your attention. The main shortcuts keep your ordinary work close at hand. Add event begins a booking you create. Inquiries opens your website and chatbot leads. Invoices creates formal quotes or invoices. Schedule shows your upcoming work. Pending identifies bookings waiting on a required step. Forms opens your planning form library. Below the shortcuts, your current booked events are organized chronologically. Each event shows the date, client, venue, services, assigned team, and remaining balance without making you open several different pages. Your process will often begin with a contact form. A prospective client enters their contact information, event date, venue, services they are considering, and any questions or special requests for you. When they submit the form, you receive an inquiry. It does not reserve your date, generate a contract, create a client login, or collect a payment. Back in your CRM, the inquiry appears in the inquiry inbox. You can read the original message, review the event details, see which package or services interested the prospect, reply, call, update the lead status, or begin creating the event. When you choose Add as New Event, the CRM carries the inquiry information into your booking form. You complete any missing address, time, venue, and package information, then review everything before saving. This owner-created path keeps you in control. Saving the event does not surprise your client with an email, agreement, or payment request. You decide when each client-facing step is ready. Every event gives you one complete workspace. Your client and venue information stay together with the exact package version and price selected for this booking. Later package changes do not rewrite an existing event. The event also keeps its availability state, agreement, payment history, balance, email history, planning forms, appointments, staff assignments, documents, and recent activity together for you. You can assign employees or subcontractors to the services required by this event. Those team members receive access only to the events and forms you deliberately share with them. Contracts, payments, mailing addresses, and unrelated clients remain private. You also choose the planning forms your client should see. Saved answers remain connected to the event, and every revision is preserved. When your package, availability, agreement, and payment requirements are complete, the event moves into your booked and planning stages. You manage your packages and services. Each package contains its current price, deposit rule, included services, and required resources. Publishing a new version affects your future bookings without changing an existing contract. Your schedule turns booked events into a practical operations view. Each event card shows the date and time, client and venue, services and equipment, assigned crew, staffing gaps, and outstanding balance. Your email console keeps reusable messages separate from individual leads. Each saved email clearly shows whether it is manual, automatic, and active, or automatic and paused. Automatic rules show you exactly when a message is released and which events qualify. Each event retains its own send and delivery history. The planning form builder lets you create questions, sections, notes, lists, people and song entries, and music lists. Preview shows you the current client view before you save the form. Published versions remain protected, so a later edit cannot silently change forms you already assigned to a client. System settings controls your business identity and the real behavior of your CRM. Your branding, event rules, forms, staff, email, online payments, and other connections remain yours. Provider credentials stay behind protected connection screens rather than appearing throughout your daily interface. Now you will see the optional automated booking experience from your client's point of view. Your client begins by choosing one of your published packages. They enter the event date, time, venue, and contact information, then review the complete selection. Their browser does not decide your price or availability. The server reloads your current package, recalculates the total and deposit, and checks your required staff and resources. If the date and package are eligible, your system creates an exact agreement for this client and event. A conflict, unsupported request, missing resource, or unknown price stops for your review instead of accepting an unsafe booking. Your client opens the secure one-time agreement link. They can read your complete contract, download or print the exact PDF, confirm electronic consent, and sign using their legal name. After signing, your client creates their portal password through a one-time activation link. In your real installation, the event remains waiting until your connected hosted payment provider confirms the required deposit. This fictional demonstration does not collect card information or create a payment. It advances only the invented tutorial event so you can safely see the remaining client experience. Your client portal presents the same event from your client's point of view. Your client sees the event date, venue, package, total, payments received, and remaining balance. They can review the signed agreement and access only the planning forms you assigned to their event. A planning form can be completed gradually. Your client enters fictional answers, saves, leaves, and returns later. You and any staff member you specifically authorize see the same organized information, with revision history preserved. This keeps your client's experience simple while giving you the operational detail and control your business needs. The most important difference is your ownership and control. With the self-hosted edition, you control your installed CRM, domain, hosting account, backups, business data, branding, packages, forms, contracts, and operating workflow. The version you purchase is intended to keep operating without a recurring CRM software fee. Your hosting and any outside provider fees remain separate. Your control of the installation is different from ownership of the product's intellectual property. The protected core and proprietary CRM builder instructions remain licensed and copyrighted product assets. You own your business data and content, and your commercial license gives you the right to operate and customize your installation. The current core intentionally does not try to include every feature found across every other CRM. Examples of capabilities that are not included today include two-way SMS and automatic text reminders, a visual sales pipeline with lead scoring, time tracking, recurring billing, bookkeeping or QuickBooks and zero synchronization, equipment inventory, floor plans and seating charts, guest check-in, client media galleries and delivery, bulk marketing, and advanced forecasting dashboards. Those examples are not promises that the features already exist. They show what you can add when your business needs something new. Your CRM is designed as a protected collection of modules around shared clients, events, packages, permissions, and history. The proprietary CRM builder instructions document the module map, data contracts, permissions, tenant boundaries, security checks, migrations, testing, deployment, backup, and rollback rules. Your authorized AI assistant can use those instructions to help turn your business requirement into a reviewed module that attaches to your existing system. You might add an SMS console, equipment barcode tracking, a venue floor plan tool, or a specialized client delivery workflow for a photographer or videographer. That does not mean untested code is dropped into your live business. Every module must still pass the CRM's established ownership, permission, security, audit, testing, deployment, and rollback rules. Any external service still requires your appropriate account and connection. The advantage is that you can keep your dependable core, preserve your existing data and workflow, and expand your CRM as your needs change. The minimum setup is straightforward. You need a domain or subdomain and a compatible web hosting account. Your hosting must support PHP version 8.2 or newer, a MySQL or MariaDB database, HTTPS security, private file storage outside the public website folder, and scheduled background tasks. You also supply your basic business information, company name, contact details, logo or placeholder identity, services, packages and prices, agreement wording, and any planning forms you want your clients to complete. Completing your installation also requires a capable AI assistant, such as ChatGPT with Codex or Cowork. Your AI assistant follows the licensed proprietary CRM builder instructions, connects and configures your modules, enters your approved business settings, tests your owner and client workflows, and verifies the installation before you use it with real clients. Your AI assistant does not replace your hosting company, your decisions, or the outside accounts you choose to connect. It is your installation and customization partner, working within the CRM's documented module boundaries and verification rules. You need a connected business email provider when you want the CRM to send messages. You need a hosted payment provider only when you want your clients to pay online. You can add website contact form integration and the automated booking experience after your core CRM is installed. If you do not want to manage your own hosting, you can choose the managed installation and maintenance option instead. Your CRM is browser-based, so you and your clients do not install a Windows or Mac program. The result is one system with 3 clear levels and one important difference. You control your CRM installation and can grow it without abandoning your working core. Your core CRM supports your normal owner-managed workflow from inquiry through planning. Your automated booking experience can handle eligible online bookings from your published pricing through agreement and payment. And your proprietary CRM builder instructions let your authorized AI assistant help create reviewed modules as your business changes. Explore the fictional hands-on demonstration and experience both sides of your CRM for yourself.